In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 2D drawings to 3D in AutoCAD. We'll keep this simple and reliable, starting with a clean 2D drawing, switching to the right workspace, and then turning your shapes into solids using Extrude. A solid setup up front will save you time later, so let's begin by preparing your 2D geometry. Open your drawing and make sure your lines, polylines, and shapes are clean, connected, and organized on the proper layers. If you see broken edges or segments that should be one continuous boundary, use the join command to connect them. For more control on polylines, PDT is your friend. It lets you edit polylines and join multiple segments into a single polyline. Zoom in on corners and intersections to catch tiny gaps. Closed shapes are essential for creating 3D solids, so if a boundary looks like a loop but still won't behave, there's probably a small gap to fix. Keep an eye on your current layer as well, because the solids you create will be placed there. If you need them on a specific layer, set that layer current before extruding. Once your 2D drawing is tidy and ready, switch into an environment designed for 3D work. Go to the workspace switching menu and choose 3D modeling. This changes your ribbon and tools so you have quick access to 3D commands, visual styles, and navigation aids that make modeling easier. You'll notice the interface presents panels geared towards solid creation and editing, which helps you stay focused on the task. Now you're ready to create 3D solids using Extrude. Select the closed 2D shapes you want to give thickness to. With them selected, type Extrude and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a height. Type a numeric value to define how far the shape should extend into 3D space, then press Enter again. Positive values push in the default upward direction, negative values push the other way. If AutoCAD warns that an object must be closed or planar, cancel the command, return to your 2D prep, and make sure the boundary is fully joined with join or pedit before trying again. Repeat this process for each closed shape you want to convert. Consider extruding different shapes by different heights to reflect real-world thicknesses, and keep related objects on their own layers for clarity. And that's it. By preparing clean, closed 2D shapes, switching to the 3D modeling workspace, and using Extrude with a clear height, you can quickly transform flat drawings into accurate 3D solids ready for visualization, detailing, or further modeling.